guys, it's Oliviyak. Hey. We're here with another video. We're gonna make some slime. So we'll see if this happens. We've tried this. I've tried it twice, and we were going to try it one time, but then we didn't have enough time, so we're gonna do it now. Woohoo! See if we can actually do it. Oh. Damn. I'm so funny.
Oh my god, I'm so quirky and relatable. Follow me on Instagram.
There we go. I'm putting some in this corner because it looks a little lonely. Yeah. So it wasn't thickening, so we're going to my corner store to buy some like borax, like laundry borax.
Yeah, I don't know, because we're smart. Guys, it's Brownie, and this is my outfit of the day. I got this sweater from Plato's Closet. It's your girl Thrips. You can give it to me from a friend. And my dad bought my shoes. These are Adidas Gazelles. Here, can you see it better now?
Yeah.
Your style, yeah.
Yeah.
They're kind of dirty. We're not going to talk about that. Let's talk about your outfit, girl.
So this is from the Queen's University gift shop, I guess. And then my jeans are from Stitches because I'm poor. And my Crocs are my mom's.
Damn, honey.
Ooh, Gucci.
Yeah.
Let's go, Dora.
Damn.
We made it to the corner store. Woo.
Yeah. Okay, so we left that store because it didn't have anything.
We're gonna go check at another corner store. It was literally just at Walmart. I could have gotten some. But little did we know, I'm not smart.
No barking.
Here we go. Woo. Should I do all of it?
Yeah. I think just go all out.
Okay.
Good job. You did it again.
I hate myself.
I don't know what that was.
I'm just gonna put like the tiniest amount of Tide Simply Clean and Fresh. It does 6 loads. Okay. That might have been too much. We'll put some water. I don't know how much. No.
Who knows?
Oh. I don't know how she could do that to me.
Olivia's slowly losing it. Like by the end of this video, she'll be in tears.
I'm already, like, I'm starting. Okay. Ooh. Oh. Okay, I'm just gonna add a little bit, like, at a time, because, like, I feel like, yeah. That looks right.
There we go.
It's starting to form.
ASMR.
My arm is falling asleep. Okay. So, like, we've almost got, oh, our pizza's almost ready. We've almost got it. We added some baking soda and mixed it in water. And, like, I think it just needs, like, a teeny bit more.
Yeah.
Because, like, it's still a little sticky, but, like, I'm so proud of us. I
I think we're just gonna add borax to the other one and just hope for the best. Like,
The other one is like the sun we're not proud of. Oh my god.
I love this so much.
Me too. So the slime was successful. I'm so happy.
Woohoo!
Oh.